Yo, Sean, man, I forgot what it is, man.
Ah, man. Stigmatism in my soul.
You sure?
Yeah. No lies. Truths. Some workouts, man. Some calisthenics.
Yo, man, you now listening to the dopest channel on YouTube, man. Hands down, Gunby Publishing. No competition. What's up, Sean? Tell
What's
him,
up, man? Stigmatism in my soul. We ain't never stop.
Listen, man. Nigga got that fed look, man. Nigga.
Absolutely, sure.
Brooklyn, what we finna do, brother?
Yeah, we're gonna do a how to do a muscle up tutorial. A lot of guys out there don't know how to do a muscle up. You know what I mean? And first of all, I'm gonna get into the science, the transitioning from being able to do pull-ups into muscling up, because it's a skill that you acquire. It's just like being a Pokemon, man. You're a Pikachu, and you know, you wanna become Raichu. You gotta evolve. But the first thing you gotta do is master the Thunderbolt.
Check them out, y'all.
Alright? This pull-up is the Thunderbolt. Alright? And we wanna do the Super Thunderbolt, what Raichu does. Alright? I'll give you that kind of analogy, but basically you understand what I'm saying. It's evolution, my dear Watson. Feel me? Pull-ups. A lot of people don't know how to do a pull-up. Let me first explain a pull-up to you, alright? The mechanics to a pull-up. Now, if you see here, we have this little thing right here that messes you up from doing muscle up. So if you're not being technical, you might hit your head, you might injure yourself. So you want to make sure you stay clean, as my son Gunby would say.
Check them out, y'all.
Feel me? So first, let me show you a pull-up. Legs together, boom, head above the bar, all the way down. Now there's a little controversial thing, a little debate about, hey, who pull-ups is right, technicality, what's clean, what's not clean, shorties, blah, blah, blah. Now, check this out. All y'all being egotistic right there, or judging another man's pull-up, but you at home ain't doing the pull-up. That don't even sound right. Now, let me let you know. If I do a pull-up like this, I'm still building.
Still getting money.
I'm still getting money. My chest is still getting that pump. My biceps are still getting that pump. My triceps are still getting that pump. What you need to understand is the science of that exercise is a compound exercise which works on multiple muscle groups. So what happens right here, when I go from right here and I go from right here, I just change up the variations of muscle groups and how I scope and shape those things.
Check them out, y'all.
So now I get more definition when I go into a long range, full range of motion, but then if I go short range, I get a bigger pump.
Check them out, y'all. We in Fort Greene, man. We in Brooklyn.
I need you guys to understand this, because a lot of people are judging people out there that's doing short pull-ups, short push-ups, shorties. Yeah, I did a lot of shorties to build my legs, and a lot of guys in the calisthenics game don't have legs.
But probably also, you know, they talk about that push-up ain't clean, that pull-up ain't clean, that dip ain't clean. But really it come down how you look.
How you look.
How you look.
How that push-up built your body.
How that body
How your body feel.
How that body
After, you know what I'm saying? Now, boom. You put those together though, guys. Now, let's go back to the pull-up. After you put the shorties, the longs, you put those together because then you learn how to play with your negatives. Do you understand me? The negatives, people. You want to get to a positive level with your workout, let's play with the negatives. Realize this. You see where we at? Because look, you saw that, right? The negative is what you play with to build up to the muscle up. So,
yeah, we're in Brooklyn.
Watch the transition, guys, because you have to understand the science of and the mechanism of playing
the science, man.
With the negatives, man.
Understand the science, man.
Watch. The first thing, like a lot of guys, you see a lot of guys go swing on there and then do a muscle up. But this is the proper way. Clean, because look, I don't want to hit my head on that top. Most places don't got that shit right there. Feel me? Boom. Clean.
Clean, man.
Clean.
Man, that muscle up clean.
Let's see that? Let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see, understand. Because when I started to do a muscle up, I did so much pull-ups, I accidentally went to a muscle up. You feel me? That's how you want to train. You want to train hard so that you accidentally do other skills and exercises that you didn't know you could do. Boom. Look. Negative. Clean. Look at the legs. Get the legs nice and straight.
Them toes is together, y'all.
Clean.
Toes is together, y'all.
And look at this thing. I'm going right in between, in the middle of it, guys. So you want to play with it? You see what I'm playing with? Right here. Boom. See what I'm playing with? Right there. Boom. That pull down gives me enough force to go up and then learn how to play with it. A lot of people is worrying about force grip. Force grip.
Check them out, y'all.
Feel me?
Check them out, y'all.
We're gonna fight for that. We're gonna make it. Slow, fast, however, but we're gonna make it. But a lot of people is worried about that false grip. You don't need to do the false grip yet. Focus on your regular grip, your neutral grip. Feel me? Focus on your forearm strength.
Hey, probably. What do you think is the number of consecutive pull-ups that a person, if they could do a certain number of consecutive pull-ups, they should be able to translate into a muscle up?
So I was gonna get into that next. So you play with your negatives so you can be able to maximize your reps of pull-ups. Now, when you're around the range of 25 to 30, like me, I could go up to like 50 pull-ups.
One clip?
Yeah. And one clip, I could do more than that, I think. Because last time I did 50 pull-ups, and then I went to a muscle up and did like 40-something dips. So I'm pretty sure I could do more than 50 pull-ups. If I could do 40-something dips and 2 muscle-ups after that, without unbroken. So, play with your body. Play with your body and figure out what your body limits are. You understand what I'm saying? Because then you understand how you can push past that. So for me, when I first went to the bar, I was probably able to do 20 pull-ups. Now I'm able to do more than 50 because I played with my body to understand where my level is, where I'm at, and I evolved and got better. So you want to be able to do at least 25 to 30 pull-ups. All right, 25 to 30 pull-ups. After that, you should be able to do 1 to 3 muscle-ups. If you could do 40 to 50 pull-ups, you should be able to do 5 to 10 muscle-ups. All right? You need to practice these things. Don't try to run before you can walk. All right, guys? A lot of guys, if you can't do a pull-up, stay on the ground. Don't go up, don't go in the air. Stay on the ground, focus on your groundwork. Focus on your push-ups.
Check them out.
And changing the variations of push-ups that you have. If you're not doing push-ups like this. Of course, you haven't mastered the ground.
Brooklyn.
If you can't.
Fourth grade.
If you can't just.
Brooklyn.
Feel me? Just play with your body. Just go in a whole bunch of different positions on the ground and master those exercises. Don't go in the air. After you are able to play with your body on the ground, master one. If you're on the ground, master one-hand push-ups. When you can master one-hand push-up, you should be able to do 5 pull-ups. Okay? When you start doing your pull-up journey, you do the pull-up journey as I said, maximize your pull-ups, play with the negatives, get up to 25 to 30 pull-ups, and then you will be able to muscle up.
Check them out, y'all.
But if you can't, stay on the ground, focus on your cardio. Shout out to my guy Gunby. Mad love and respect. You feel me? He always showing love. He's one of the guys that's inspiring me with my YouTube game as well. So make sure y'all subscribe to his page. Don't forget to subscribe to my page, Broly Gains.
Yo, them links gonna be underneath this video, man. Y'all fuck with Broly Gains, man.
And
This
you
my
already
man,
know.
Man.
One more thing, man. One more thing. Ah!